Welcome to AI for Business, the podcast where we bring you the latest updates on AI news and AI tools to help you stay informed. I'm your host, and today we're covering OpenAI's legal battle over ChatGPT logs, Google's update to its Gemini AI model, new concerns about the environmental impact of AI data centers, and Amazon's push into Agentic AI for robotics. We'll also share an AI tool that helps automate workflows and a prompt tip to make your content work for different types of readers. First, OpenAI is now pushing back against a court order that forces it to keep all ChatGPT logs, including chats that users deleted. This comes out of a copyright lawsuit brought by several news organizations claiming OpenAI could be deleting evidence, so the court ordered the company to preserve everything going forward. OpenAI argues that the order was rushed and could harm user privacy. The company says there's no actual proof that it was deleting anything to avoid legal trouble, and keeping everything goes against what users were told about controlling their own chat data. It also says complying with the order will take a lot of engineering time and could even violate privacy laws in some countries. Next up, Google has released an update to its Gemini 2.5 Pro model, a version meant to improve coding performance and also fix earlier issues with how responses were formatted. It's available now through Google's AI Studio and Vertex AI, and it will roll out to the Gemini app in the next few weeks. The company says this version is performing very well on coding benchmarks and has also made progress in math, science, and reasoning tests. In past versions, users had noticed the model was very good at coding, but not as strong in other areas. Google says this update addresses that feedback. Now to the environmental side of AI. A new report from a UN agency shows that indirect emissions from major AI companies have gone up sharply in the past 3 years. These emissions come from the huge amounts of electricity needed to power AI data centers. The report tracked Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta, and found that, on average, their emissions rose about 150% since 2020. Amazon's emissions rose the most at 182%. Microsoft, Meta, and Alphabet also saw big increases. While these companies are investing in cleaner energy and more efficient cooling systems, the report points out that so far, those efforts haven't yet resulted in actual reductions in emissions. In other news, Amazon has formed a new team focused on Agentic AI, which refers to AI systems that can handle complex, multi-step tasks. This group is based in Amazon's Lab 126, the same unit behind products like the Kindle and Echo devices. The new team will work on building an AI framework for robotics. The goal is to help robots better understand voice commands and take action based on them. This is sometimes called physical AI because it helps machines interact with the real world in more flexible ways. Amazon is also adding agentic AI features to other products, including Alexa and its cloud services. Today's AI tool to try is Make. This is an automation platform that helps you connect apps and services and build workflows across them. It breaks big tasks into smaller steps, making it easier to test and improve them. You can also track everything in real time and add more advanced logic to handle different situations. If your business depends on moving data or actions between different apps, Make can help simplify the process. Link to try is in the description. The prompt tip for today is a multiple attention spans tip. When writing something like a newsletter, ask AI, write this with 3 entry points. 1 for skimmers with a quick summary, 1 for casual readers with a short highlight, and 1 for deep readers with full details. This helps you create content that works for different reading styles and keeps more readers engaged. That wraps up today's episode of AI for Business. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you stay informed on the latest in AI, subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. If you think a colleague or friend would benefit from what we covered today, please share this episode with them. It helps our community grow, and if you have a moment, leaving a review also helps more people find the show. See you next week, and keep exploring how AI can help your business.